Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your YouTube thumbnail inside of Adobe Photoshop. Create new, hit 1280 by 720 pixel, hit OK. Go ahead and place your photo here. By doing that, double click that, hold Alt and click to the fit to the canvas. Okay, fit to your desired position. Right now I'm going to be adding some title as text over here, just simple text. I'm going to be pasting it and I'm going to be adjusting it just like so, and I'm going to be changing the colors. Walk is good for your health. Okay, thanks for watching this, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more informative videos like this.